Welcome to the Nural Sales App tutorial series. In this series, we'll guide you step by step through the various features and modules of the Nural Sales application. Let's get started.
Open the Nural Sales app on your mobile device. From the home screen, tap on the dashboard tile to explore various dashboards available in the app. It provides a high-level summary of your sales performance. You can filter the data using the Select ISP dropdown or switch between daily, weekly, and monthly views. You'll find key performance indicators such as yesterday's sales, value in units, MTD, and last month's sales 3-month average, QTD, and countershare ISP attendance data, like zero sales and sellout not uploaded. It also highlights the top 10 and bottom 10 ISPs, based on performance, and includes a quick glance at focus model achievements. Tap on Target to access the Target dashboard. This section compares actual ISP performance against their assigned sales targets, both in quantity and value. It helps supervisors monitor progress toward monthly and product-specific goals. Next, tap on Attendance. This dashboard shows the attendance summary for all ISPs: present, absent, leave, etc. You can drill down by selecting any category or an individual ISP to view their daily attendance record. Next, tap on Channel. The Channel dashboard provides insights into product activations and retailer performance. You can filter by specific retailer or product and view detailed metrics like DRR, activation count, and LMTD. It also displays a visual comparison of retailer-wise sales, including top 10 and bottom 10 performers. Next, tap on AI under AI. The dashboard helps track key inventory health metrics. View model-wise SCR, inventory in weeks, shelf life, and stock aging. You'll find bar and pie charts that make it easy to understand how long inventory has been sitting and where attention is needed. Finally, open the RI dashboard to track RI audit metrics. This includes demo scores, MyZ scores, average RI scores over the last 3 months, and performance trends. You can also monitor how many stores fall below the acceptable RI threshold. That's it. You've now learned how to navigate through and use all the dashboards in the Nural Sales application. Thank you for using Nural Sales.